Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's unboxing is going to be first impressions. This is a sponsored video, and by that I mean I did not purchase this item with my own money. There is a toiletry travel lifestyles brand company by the name of Lavievert, and they reached out to me to do a review of one of their on-the-go toiletry travel pieces. I think there was an interest because I have another travel bag video that's posted on my site, on my channel here, that gets a lot of traffic. And because I do travel so extensively, they thought that I would be a good person to review. So their products are shipped out by Amazon, and they had several different colors available on the Amazon site. I didn't see a red one, so I went with the next best color, which was red. Purple for me, the color of royalty. So let's take a look at their bag together. So the first thing is it's a thick, let me see if I can tell you what it's made out of. It doesn't say on the tags, but if you think about a kid's backpack, that is the same material that this travel bag is made out of. And I love the fact that it has the branding here on the front. So there's the name if you were looking to see what that looks like. It has a handle on the top. It has zippered compartments on each side. And in this side, there's a place for you to actually store your makeup brushes, which is absolutely perfect because my current travel bag does not have that feature to allow better organization of my makeup brushes and other travel type style options. The second pocket, inner pocket on the side, actually has, let's see, it's a bit dark in here. Let's see if I can get it to focus. There are two loop pockets, which I think would be absolutely perfect for skincare items or even foundation. If you're traveling with glass or plastic bottles from a foundation standpoint, that would be a great place to put it. If you are traveling with like maybe small things of mouthwash or face wash or things like that, those little loops for storage would be extremely helpful. So I'm really liking the storage options that I'm seeing so far. On the opposite side, let's take a look at these pockets. And there's the same option on this side. So if you needed to, you could maybe keep your toothbrush and those kinds of items on one side. And this side actually has a solid loop pocket. Let me see if I can get a view here. So the other one had a center divider, so you actually had two pockets. This one actually has one. So if you were looking to store larger items or maybe even a full size on this one, you could. Let me just, I've got a Tatcha face wash cleanser here. Let me just see how much space. It fits in here with no problem. And that's a full size. And there's plenty of room for another full size item as well, with no problems with the zipper. So I'm really liking that. So if you're traveling someplace and you're gonna maybe either check your bag so you don't have to worry about TSA with the small travel sizes, or maybe you're going someplace by car and you're going to stay for a few days and you would need multiple small sizes. This would be a great bag option because it's large enough to accommodate full size product. Let's take a look at the inside. The first is it has a double zipper, so you can open the entire front flap up. And on the inside here, it has a hook so that you can actually hang this in the bathroom, over the door, over a shower hook, on a shower rod. It has PVC lining, so anything that spills or smudges or breaks in here can easily be wiped away. So I love that. Large pocket at the top. That would be great for your cosmetics. Additional loops for any additional smaller storage items. And then, not to be done, there are additional pockets. Oh, I'm loving this. On the inside. So there's a back row of pockets that are sectioned off, and then in front of those are even another set of mesh pockets. So again, more items to be stored, taking advantage of things not sliding around because they will find a home. So that's the back wall of the bag. You have plenty of space here in the center of the bag. And then on the front, you have another zipper pocket that's solid. It's mesh, but it's a solid pocket. It doesn't have any dividers in it. And then in front of the mesh pocket, you have two additional slip pockets that are divided. And then in front of that, you still have an additional pocket for more storage. No feet under the bottom because it's not a handbag. It's a toiletry bag. No place for a shoulder strap because this is not a bag that you're going to walk around with. It's a bag that you would pack most likely in another bag. I could, however, see this being a really nice camera bag. So if you're vlogging, or maybe you have a DSLR style camera with additional lenses, power cords, cables, battery packs, it would be great for that as well. If you're on the go and you're like me and you need kind of a little portable office, this would be great for like a little Canon portable style printer, extra battery pack for your laptop. You could use the loops for ink pens and highlighters. You could carry maybe whiteout or eraser tape, those kinds of things here. So I can see this bag having a lot of versatility. It is high quality. This is the same finish as my other travel bag that's on my channel here. I'm loving the color concentration. I love that the bag is branded, so it's not just a generic travel bag. And they've really thought through how to utilize every inch of this bag to stabilize the things that you put in here from a storage standpoint. This, for a new mom, would also be really good, like a diaper bag on the go, or like a little, just, you know, instead of carrying your full baby bag, maybe you throw a couple of diapers, bottles, pacifiers, something like that in here. It'd be great to keep a thermometer or you know, other little things that you need for a kid. It would also be a good lunch bag. I don't know. Yeah, let's see. I could get my water in here. Absolutely. It would work for a lunch bag as well. You, of course, wouldn't necessarily need the hook if you were using it for lunch. But it's one of those bags that as I look at it, I see so many other uses in addition to toiletries. It would make a great on-the-go cosmetic bag or makeup bag. I'm loving the fact that the brand took the time to put their name on their hardware. Those are the little details that just add a little extra something special to a bag. So I cannot wait to move into this bag. These are just my first impressions. I will come back in another video to show you how I pack it. But I'm really, really thankful that the brand reached out to me. It's nice to have a channel that's growing and being recognized, especially for things that I'm known for. And I'm known for travel. So I really appreciate the brand reaching out to me. I'm really going to enjoy this piece. This will not be the last video that you see of me, though, because I'm going to come back in a future video and show you how I am using it. But I wanted to share my first impressions with you. So, Lavievert, thank you so very much for reaching out and partnering with me. I do appreciate the option to pick my own color as opposed to having a standard black one shipped to me. I look forward to using this bag in the years to come, and will absolutely be back in a future video to show you how I pack it and what fits in it and how I'm using it. So thank you so very much for watching. I'll include a link down below just in case you're interested in checking out their Amazon store. If you're interested to, to see what other options they have, the different colors, I want to make that easy for you. So thank you so very much for watching. Until next time, take care.